Sa ibang balita, tiniyak na Malacanang ang pagsasagawa ng kaukulang hakbang ng Department of Health kaunay sa 43 milyong pisong halaga ng equipment na umunoy nasisira at hindi napakinabangan. Ayon kay Deputy Presidential Spokesperson Abigail Valte, sinusuring mabuti ng DOH ang obserbasyon ng Commission on Audit sa naturang equipment. Giit pa ni Valte, makakaasa ang publiko na magsasagawa ng kaukulang hakbang ang ahensya upang tiyakin na walang masasayang na public funds.
I spoke with Yusek Herbosa this morning and I did raise the matter of the news report on observations. And what Yusek Herbosa told me is that he will be validating the specific claims, the specific observations of the COA, and they will be acting appropriately on it. Kasi tinanong ko din, merong isang observation allegedly that there is equipment, laboratory equipment in the Tondo Hospital that is not being utilized because walang qualified personnel to operate. It is a matter of concern, and the DOH is now, as we speak, validating the specific observations of the COA, and rest assured that the DOH will be taking appropriate steps to make sure that there is no wastage of public funds.